Hi, in today's node.js video training we will be looking at node.js, how to send an email. We are going to use the node mailer module. The node mailer module makes it easy to send emails from your computer. The node mailer module can be downloaded and installed using npm. So it is a simple command, npm install node mailer. After you have downloaded the node mailer module, you can include the module in any application. You can create the node mailer object by requiring the node mailer module. So let's create a project file for this video training. First I'm going to create a project directory for this node mailer. I'm going to set permissions for this folder. Okay, node mailer. Okay, I'm going to install node mailer module here, npm node mailer, npm install node mailer. Okay, it's installed, so we can use it in our programs. I'm going to create a file, node mail.js. Okay, let's get started. Now you're ready to send emails from your server. Use the username and password from your selected email provider to send an email. This tutorial will show you how to use your Gmail account to send an email. Okay, first of all, let's create a node mailer object by requiring the node mailer module. Next, I'm going to create a transporter object, which is created by create transport function of node mailer, and in this function we are going to mention our email provider and authentication object, which we are going to mention username. In my case it is usman.nxb@gmail.com, and this is the password. Okay, that's it for the transporter object. Then I'm going to create mail options. Equals this, we are going to mention the sender email address. Recipient email address, going to send it to my other Gmail account. Then we have the subject, sending email using node.js. Okay, then we have the subject or the body. That was easy. Okay, that's it for the mail functions. Now we are going to send an email. Send mail options function, error info. If error console.log, print the error on the console, else we are going to say email sent and plus info.response. That's the else part, and that's the transporter, and that's it. Now your server is able to send emails. Let's save this file and to try to send an email. Node mail. Okay, it says bad username and password not accepted, and authentication incomplete. Okay, let's try now. Okay, the problem here is that our Gmail account is not permitting to send email through Gmail SMTP. For this we need to enable this setting, less secure app access. So we need to enable this. Now it's on. So now we should be able to send an email using the Gmail SMTP. You see it says email sent 250. OK. This means that email has been sent successfully. You see, I have got an email from my other account and it says that was easy. So we were able to successfully send an email using node.js and Gmail SMTP. We can also mention multiple receivers within the mail options settings. To send an email to more than one receiver, add them to the to property of the mail options subject separated by commas. So sending email to more than one address is very easy. Okay, let's see how to send HTML formatted text in your email. Use the HTML property instead of the text property. Okay, it is very simple. You just need to replace the text property to HTML and we can send HTML. Welcome to my world of node.js. Okay, save this file and we are going to send an email again. Okay, email sent, and you see we have got another email. So this is the HTML h1 tag that we just added in our email. We can also send tables as well. So I'm going to create tr, td, and tr close and td close. Okay. Sorry, tr closes after td first, and I can duplicate this here like this. Second row in table email HTML. Save the file, send the email again. Okay, see, I've got a new mail. So that's how you can format your emails using HTML and send emails in HTML format. That was all about this video training and how to send emails using Node.js. I hope that you've understood the basic concept of the node mailer module and how it can be used to send emails. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the code of this video training is available on my GitHub repository. You can download it from there and use it in your own projects and programs. See you next time with a new topic.